These faceless AI influencer YouTube channels are making thousands of dollars per month, all with little to no effort after setting the channel up. Ever dreamed of earning passive income online by making money with AI? Well, by leveraging advancements in AI, there's no better time than now. Today, I'll show you how to make money with AI by building an AI influencer YouTube automation channel. We'll be using two cutting-edge AI tools. The first, an AI video maker tool to create an AI avatar who will become our AI influencer star. The second, an AI video editing tool which will automatically add stunning and on-theme visuals to match what your AI influencer is speaking about. We're going to be using the Wondershare ViRBO platform as the key AI tool in this faceless video YouTube channel workflow. Wondershare ViRBO is the future of digital creativity. You can transform simple text, photos, or videos into stunning videos in minutes. No camera or editing skills required. You can choose from over 300 lifelike avatars and 300 voices representing 90 countries to personalize your content. You can also customize your own avatar and voice by talking photo and audio upload. And here's a little snippet of that. We're going to start by basing our YouTube channel on using an AI avatar presenter like we have here with overlay footage playing in the background. As you can see, this is a very successful channel based on this concept. Let's say you wanted to do a YouTube channel with an AI avatar in the travel niche. Here is an example of a faceless YouTube channel that focuses on the tourism niche. You can see that we have millions of views here, and these are all, as I said, faceless videos with just overlay footage and an AI voice playing over the top. We can see some of the figures from this YouTube channel. We're getting up to $10,000 to $15,000 a month on monthly earnings, and I can tell you that it's probably on the higher end of this scale here. There's huge potential in the tourism niche by using the faceless video technique. Here is another smaller channel, but you can see it also is getting millions of views. Okay, we've chosen our channel niche, that is travel videos. From here, choose a video topic for this particular video. Let's go with top 5 beach getaways in Europe. We'll create a script from ChatGPT. For the YouTube channel, we probably want to do a longer video, but for this demonstration, we'll get it to write a 500-word blog post on the top 5 beach destinations in Europe. So we'll go ahead and copy that, come over to Wondershare, and then we'll choose text-to-speech to start off with. Okay, we can choose our language as English. We'll go with female, and then we can select from any of these different voices. Let's perhaps go with Emma.
Amidst a historic labor movement, employees at one of the world's largest gig economy platforms have achieved a landmark victory.
From here, we can just paste in the script, and I might actually even just chop off the end of it, just so we keep the length of this video down for the purposes of this tutorial. And you can see we're going to run for about 2.5 minutes there. From here, our first step is to generate the audio, so let's do that first. That will take some time to do, so we'll come back in just a moment. Okay, great, that's done. Let's play it out.
Discovering Europe's top 5 beach destinations. Europe, with its diverse landscapes and rich cultural heritage.
It's actually just a little bit fast, so I might bring the speed down a little bit and generate the audio once again. Let's try out this slower speed.
Discovering Europe's top 5 beach destinations. Europe, with its diverse landscapes, and a nation known for its breathtaking views, whitewashed buildings, and azure waters.
Okay, that's much better. So from here, what I can do is download the audio file, which we'll then use in the next step. And that next step is to come into Pictory.ai, import our script and voiceover, and create amazing overlay footage that corresponds to what we're talking about. Okay, we're logged in, and we want to choose the option script to video, so proceed with that. Here, let's post in the component of the script that we use to create our AI voiceover. And from experience, I know that Pictory chooses an action word from each sentence that it's presented with and chooses a piece of footage that matches that. So that's a sentence, here's another sentence, and then the third sentence is here. If you'd like to have more clips, then there are sentences. I'd recommend that you change the settings so that it changes on line breaks. So you could go through and add in a few extra line breaks like so, and we'll just skip through this really quickly. Once you've finished doing that process, go ahead and click proceed. Pictory will then go ahead and find the relevant visuals to match our script. Fantastic, that is now done, and by just skimming through the scenes, we can see all the visuals that it's selected for us to match our script. The next thing to do here is to add and synchronize the voiceover that we've made inside ViRBO. So I'll bring in that file that we've created. It will then upload. Okay, from here, I'm actually going to disable the closed captioning and apply it to every scene, not just this one here, because I can work with the subtitles and customize them better inside ViRBO a little bit later on. I'm going to do the same with the background music. I'm going to turn that off and apply to all. Okay, I've uploaded my voiceover. Now I'm ready to apply it to the entire video and match it with the script. And this actually only takes a moment.
Discovering Europe's top 5 beach destinations.
Great. The voiceover has been matched to the written script, and you can see each of these lines represents a change in the scene, and we have the script matching what the visuals are.
The Amalfi Coast is a UNESCO World Heritage Site.
Okay, that's fantastic. We'll click looks good. And now we're actually ready to export that and send it into Wondershare ViRBO. So we'll click download on that. It'll process the scenes, generate the video, and then download. So we'll just skip through this. Okay, while Pictory is actually processing, we can come back into Wondershare ViRBO and start creating our avatar video. So to do that, just click create avatar video. Here we are inside the AI avatar editor section. We can see we've got our written script from before. We've already created our voiceover, and we know it goes for 1:38, which is going to match our visuals from Pictory. We can actually go ahead and customize our AI avatar. So to do that, just come over and click avatars, and we can choose between any of these actors or actresses. So I actually think that Ruby is the perfect AI avatar candidate for the type of video that we're doing. We could choose any of these that we've got in our database of avatars. As I mentioned before, we have about 300 different avatars at this point. We might like to choose Elena or Chloe. We've even got Ruby as formal. We could choose any of these male actors as well, such as Pierre. But as I mentioned, I'm going to go with Ruby Blogger. In a moment, we'll go through and import the footage from Pictory, and then we can go through and adjust the position of Ruby, modify how we want to have the subtitles displayed, and then even add music. But yeah, let's go ahead and import the footage from Pictory, and we'll just speed through this. The first thing we need to do with this particular layer is to send it backwards so that we get Ruby back on top here. The next thing with this background video is we're going to need to turn the sound off because we've already got the ViRBO AI voiceover included in the Ruby layer. There's nothing else we need to do with this layer. That's completed. So now we'll just finish off creating the video. As this particular video is more about the visuals in the background, we want to have our AI avatar influencer perhaps in the bottom right corner here. We can even just resize that a little bit just so that her hands are showing and position her like so. Another option we have is we can click on circle view to just get her as that classic look with the circle video, or do half length, but I actually think that the close-up is fine, and that has the transparent background option. So I might just resize that again and have her in the bottom right like that. I think that'll look great. In terms of the subtitles, it too is taking up a lot of space, so I might just move that down and then just make the size a little bit smaller. That's pretty good like that. In a moment when I go to preview this, it won't animate the lip sync of Ruby. That's done in the export process, but we can just have a look anyway of how it might look with the video completed.
Discovering Europe's top 5 beach destinations. Europe, with its diverse landscapes and rich cultural heritage, offers some of the most...
As you can see, we've got the Pictory footage in the background, the subtitles are perfectly synced, and then in a moment when we process the video, we'll have Ruby speaking in the background. So let's now go ahead and do that. Click export. Amazing, that is complete, and now we can just go ahead and preview this.
Discovering Europe's top 5 beach destinations. Europe, with its diverse landscapes and rich cultural heritage, offers some of the most stunning beach destinations in the world. Whether you're seeking vibrant nightlife, serene hideaways, or family-friendly shore.
All right, I'll just mute that for a moment as we see this play through. We have Ruby speaking very nicely, presenting the content. The lip sync is pretty good. It's like about a 9.5 out of 10, I'd say. Her mannerisms and hand gestures are actually working out quite nicely for me. I'm happy with that. And overall, the visuals are matching very closely to what's happening in the script. So I think this is an absolutely amazing method to create these AI videos using your AI influencer. Well done to Wondershare ViRBO. And that is the process of how to create a faceless YouTube channel using an AI avatar, AI generated script, an AI voice using ViRBO, generating overlay footage by using a tool such as Pictory, bringing that back into ViRBO to create your compiled video, complete with your AI influencer. So once you know that process, you can really generate a large amount of content by producing one of these every day and uploading to YouTube. And watch this video here to see the process of how to create a YouTube channel. It's a very easy and step-by-step process, and you can even create your artwork very easy using a tool such as Canva. Once these videos are uploaded on YouTube, make sure you add some keywords and tags in the video to help it get found on YouTube and Google. Post it out to your social media and then watch the views come in, your following grow, and start generating revenue through YouTube ad share program, doing brand sponsorships, maybe even some affiliate marketing to really build this up to a cash cow machine for you. And that is how to make money with AI videos using AI avatars and Wondershare ViRBO. This innovative approach ViRBO offers not only enhances viewer engagement, but also significantly reduces the need for traditional video production resources. Join thousands of creators and businesses using ViRBO. Create, share, and succeed with ViRBO today. Try it out with my special promo link below. Check out this video next to see the best free AI website builder so you can build a new website alongside your fresh YouTube channel. Also, subscribe to the channel so you can get more AI updates as they happen. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video.